Hi, so just arrived at the forest. Today I'm going to take a walk around the woods and look what I can find and take a photo of it. It is around -12 Celsius degrees, so it's pretty cold, but the weather is really nice. It is pretty bright because the sun is up and it is not that cloudy actually, so that is also very great. Right, so let's go. The weather is so good. Look at this view. Damn. It was snowing through the night, so there's way much snow today than yesterday, and I really like it. There's someone. Oh, there's a foxy. There's a fox walking across the road. It's very far. It's very far. I wonder if she'll stay over there and I can approach her. I think she'll easily see me as there's nothing to hide on. Oh. There are a lot of birds. That looks so cool. Let's try to get closer to the birds. Oh, that bird is pretty. That bird is sitting pretty. Such a nice red. I can also hear a woodpecker. Yeah, I see him. There he is. Nice. Cool, cool, cool. Now, oh, there are a couple of these fiery. Damn. They got scared of me. Such a nice photo. This is a pretty nice opening. I'm gonna wait here for these birds to come a bit closer. There's the woodpecker. I missed two crows, but that's okay. Oh, nice! I saw a mouse. It went to that garbage can. There's a woodpecker in the tree, and also there's a mouse somewhere around this box. Wow, it's a really nice day today. I love it. Sunny winter days with a lot of snow. Ah, what can be better? As you can probably hear, there's no There are some tits in the tree, also other birds as well. There's a lot of foot tracks here. There were definitely some action happening. So many different birds around here. That's nice. Oh, here it is. Oh, very nice. Look at this view. there's a big chance that these thick woods are full of boars, because I see a tendency that every time I approach a boar, they usually stay in these kind of woods. Very thick, young spruce, pine. And even though I know where to look for boars, I am pretty scared of them, as I had an unpleasant confrontation with a mother boar. So yeah, I'm pretty scared of them, as they are pretty dangerous. So I am keeping my distance. Boar. Scared. I'm a bit surprised he waited for me for so long. Like, I was pretty loud, coming directly to him, and he was just sitting here like less than 10 meters away, waiting for me to come close to him. Ah, hell. He scared me pretty well. That fat thing. I wonder what was he doing over here. Ah. Here I found a path to the mouse's den. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, because I definitely did enjoy walking around the forest and taking photos of these beautiful creatures. I did around 12,000 steps, so it was a good hike. The weather was really great, so I really enjoyed it. I would really love to get some feedback from you. Thank you again for watching. Leave a like or dislike, comment and subscribe. Thank you.